Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on Judge with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about Nokia X200 out here. Talking about X2 variants out there or talking about X series out there, we can say X2 series has always been great out there. And now when we talk about X2 variant out there, we can say this was a variant which was quite different in structurality because इसके बाद हमने ऐसे बहुत सारे variants देखे हैं और भी brands में. Yes, various brands have these kind of sleeky design phones out there. So let us talk about this variant first, and then we can talk about other specifications. सबसे पहले डिजाइन की बात करते हैं. First, let us know about the design itself. And talking about the design, you can see that it has got camera, it has got sleeky design, it has got keypad out there. Everything is seen out there. Now, how much this weighs? Because we have seen that Nokia's variants out there. When we have seen Nokia's earlier variants, they had a very light weighted versions, but still the design was very heavy looking. मतलब जो पहले के वेरिएंट थे बहुत ज्यादा heavy look के साथ आते थे और वो बहुत light weighted थे. So does this offer the same? No, this does not offer the same. मतलब weight जो है वो बिल्कुल भी कम नहीं है. Weight is still above 80 grams. मतलब अभी भी 80 grams से ज्यादा है, and but the sleek design could be seen out there. Having a size of 2.2 inches, we can say it's a good version. 2.2 inches is a good version out there with TFT screening and 256K colorization. 256K colorization could be seen. This variant offers you a okay memory. Yes, not very good memory, but an okay memory of 48 MB storage capacity. मतलब 48 MB storage capacity के साथ ये आ रहा है. So it offers a okay memory out there. And if we compare it with the other variants, it is slightly different in the look out there. मतलब बाकी के comparison में थोड़ा सा different look है इसका. This is a structurality of X2 model out there so that you can easily compare it. This is slightly different out there. Now when we talk about this variant, when we talk about X2 version out here, and especially X200 out here, we can say that expandability is required. Expandability is required. Why? Because when a gadget offers you multimedia, camera, uh, connectivity out there, transferring data, then you need expandability because sufficient memory is not there in this variant. So expandability is required. So you get expandability too. Now talking about the entry of the phone book, it can enter up to 1000 entries. Yes, 1000 entries can be possible. कैमरा की बात करें तो 5 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा है. इट हैज गॉट अ 5 मेगापिक्सल rear camera out there with no selfie camera. You will not find any selfie camera out here. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, you get to see that it has got stereo type speakers as well as you get to see 3.5 jack. Yes. Apart from that, there is a dedicated key for music player because this was mainly for the music and other things, so multimedia purpose phone out there. You get to have no WAN and GPS connectivity. Connectivities are there, but poor connectivities are there. But still, WAN and GPS is not seen out here, whereas you get to see Bluetooth connectivity is there. और टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस वेरिएंट, जब हम इस वेरिएंट की बात करें तो कह सकते हैं इसमें बाकी सारे फंक्शंस हैं लाइक डॉक्यूमेंट व्यूएशन इज देयर, MP3 प्लेयर इज देयर, photo editor is there, voice memo is there. You can play games like Bounce Tales, Sudoku, Brain Comparison out there, Relay 3D. Well, various games are there. Now, when we talk about this gaming and everything, does it offers a good battery life? We can say it offers a good and actually a better battery life. Offering you 860 mAh battery and 13 to 14 hours talk time is definitely a good variant. मतलब कह सकते हैं 860 mAh की बैटरी है तो 13 to 14 hours talk time is really a good version out there. Now when we talk about this variant, अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो कह सकते हैं कि बहुत सारी साइट्स पे बहुत सारे प्राइसिंग देते हैं. So one such site is available with us and the site name is phoneson.ae. Yes, this is the site name phoneson.ae. You can Google it or you can check out on the description box also. Apart from that, this site offers you n number of brands. These are the brands in the category of all mobile phones. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out here. So we just have to write the name and then we can get our favorite gadgets. results are out. As we can see, these are the results. And when we see the results, we get to see a description box. This is a description box out here offering n number of categories, n number of features out there, as well as there is a category written on the top, that is refurbished category. So let us talk about refurbished product and compare it with brand new and see whether it's good to invest in a refurbished product or not, so that it becomes easy for us to know about the gadget too. So let us talk about refurbished product. And when we talk about refurbished product, we can say that it's quite similar to brand new products. How we say so, मतलब क्यों हम ये कह रहे हैं? Because brand new मतलब is something absolutely new, which has been not used, which has been absolutely untouched. That is absolutely, we can say, new for us. But refurbished is something which is like creating something newly like. Yes, creating something newly like. Why we say so? Refurbished is creating something which was back then. Yes, मतलब जो पहले जैसा था उसे वैसा ही बना देना. It's called refurbished. Now, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that they are very similar in the structurality, functionality, because they are absolutely same. क्योंकि इनकी टेस्टिंग के पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, इनकी फंक्शनैलिटी सेम होती है, और बस एक ही डिफरेंस होता है. The major difference lies out is कि these refurbished products are pre-owned phones. Yes, these are pre-owned versions, whereas brand new are not pre-owned. Like जैसे ये ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें, उसमें 3 फेजेस होते हैं और सेम 3 फेजेस जो हैं हमारे होते हैं रिफर्बिश्ड में. ब्रांड न्यू इज फ्रॉम द कंपनी, मतलब बेस इज द कंपनी आउट देयर. उसके बाद वो मार्केट प्लेस में आता है, इट कम्स टू द मार्केट प्लेस, देन इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. यस, इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा ब्रांड न्यू का पैसेज. whereas this user becomes now the base. वो अब हमें बेस बन गया. Now it going back. Now they don't want to use that variant out here, that gadget, तो marketplace में आता है. They resell it, and then it is checked out, verified, everything is done, and it is packed as a newly like one. और फिर ये एक नए यूजर को दिया जाता है. So this is called refurbished product. Now talking about this product, we can say refurbished products में भी पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, टेस्ट होते हैं जो कि ब्रांड न्यू में होते हैं. लाइक चेकिंग द कनेक्टिविटी आउट देयर, आउटर स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल फंक्शनैलिटी, बैटरी लाइफ हो गई, उनके हैंडसेट्स में क्या क्या है, साथ में कौन कौन सी एक्सेसरीज है, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी चेक. लाइक अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो कनेक्टिविटी में चाहे वो ब्लूटूथ हो, इसकी वाईफाई हो, सिम कनेक्टिविटी हो, एक्सलोमीटर हो, सेंसिटिविटी हो, फिंगरप्रिंट हो, कोई भी कनेक्टिविटी हो, वो सभी चेक किए जाते हैं. Whereas when we talk about the outer structurality, it includes the display, buttons, camera, audio, video, normal calling process out there, everything out there. Whereas internal operating systems is checked out. Internal मतलब जो बारीक चीजें जो होती हैं जो हम चेक आउट करते हैं, like the operating system, CPU, GPU, GPS out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, colorization, it's data wiping out there. Everything, look, all the parameters which we read about any variant has to be checked. There are approximately 29 major parameters which are checked out with sub parameters out there. इन सबके सब parameters बहुत सारे होते हैं, but 29 are the major parameters out there. Now these 29 parameters are checked out, and when they are checked out, they are given a category which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now what happens, what are the things which are involved in refurbished benefits? Because this offers you good quality products, good service products out there. It offers you really original parts are there. Everything is 100% genuine. Now when we talk about this product, what are the benefits of having refurbished over brand new? Number one is the savings. Yes, you get to have a savings. How you saving great amount? Like brand new, we know they are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable out here, so you can save up to a great amount. Now when we talk about savings and pocketable rates, we can say that brand new offers you 1 year warranty period. Yes, but when we pre-own any phone, when we own any phone which has been pre-owned, so उसकी warranty period usually it has reduced out. But when we check any product from the site and it has a condition return refurbished, इट गेट्स अ वारंटी पीरियड ऑफ 6 मंथ, मतलब 6 महीने की वारंटी पीरियड रिफर्बिश्ड में आपको देखने को मिलती है। उसी के साथ आपको देखने को मिलता है यू गेट टू सी 70 exchange policy. Yes, you also get to have 70 exchange policy. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product, because these are profitable, gives you savings, they have warranty period, and if you they are not approximately a good product for you or they have some disadvantage, then there is an exchange policy too. So you can definitely check that out. And let us go back to the site where we were talking about to check how the products are there and whether it offers the same things or not. This is the site out here we are talking about. This is phonezone.ae, and in this site you get to see n number of brands in these categories, in these gadgets, in these reputed brands out here. As well as when we talk about this website, you get to see 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy already there. As well as COD and free shipping is additional factor to this. Now you get to have a COD delivery out there, as well as free shipping out there. Then you get to have 48 hours timing. Yes, for most parts of UAE, the delivery timing is 48 hours, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. Whereas when we talk about pricing, this site offers you one of the best price, yes, best price for your favorite gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about order placement, you can place either online or on call. Any type of placement can be done. For best pricing, do check out the website. The search icon helps you to search a favorite gadget. As well as if you want like to search any other gadget, you can let us know and you can search on the website too. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.